Hello and welcome to my Computer Science NEA testing. Firstly, I'm going to test that the main menu comes up with the background music when I start the game. And it does. So I'm just going to mute the music now. Okay, the next thing for me to test is that the instruction screen comes up when I press I, which it does, and the story comes up when I press S, which it also has. Next, I'm going to begin to test the single player mode. I'm going to check that both characters can attack, which they can, and the enemy all takes turns attacking, which they do. Next, I'm going to test that when the enemy is defeated, they are removed from the field. And the goblin just was. I'm going to check the mage's special attack to heal the knight, which has worked. Okay, next I'm going to test light special attack, which has worked, and the mage's block, which has also worked. Next, hopefully the goblin will attack the mage, and the mage has died, and the sprite has changed to dead, as it should. I'm just going to finish the wave now. I can actually do this. And the wave should go on to the next one, as it does now. So I'm going to test the mage's second special attack now, which has worked. Now I'm just going to complete the wave. Okay, now on to the third wave. I'm going to test the knight's empower special attack, which should increase the mage and itself's attack. That's worked. I can test the mage's fire special attack as well, which should just do a lot of damage to the first mushroom. Now all the mushrooms should use the spore storm to do as much damage as possible. The complex AI, and they just have. As you see, the last mushroom actually attacked, which was how the complex AI should work. I'm also going to test the knight's second shredded attack, which is to protect and not take any damage, and it hasn't. Now I'm just going to finish the wave fully without dying, creating a game over. Now in this third wave, I'm going to have both of the mage and the knight die to make sure the game over screen works correctly. So if I just attack the ninja, it should kill for my characters. Now if you see that has worked correctly, if I just press to try again, it's back to here. Now complete the wave of enemies, go into the final level. Okay, and now onto the final level. I'm firstly just using power and could test the mage's fourth special attack, which should just attack the demon as it has there. Yep, I'm now going to test the knight's fourth special attack, which should attack the demon, and it has. Now I'm going to check the demon's death animation works correctly and the windscreen once that has finished. And yep, the demon has died and you've worked the windscreen. Next up, I'm going to begin to test the two-player aspect by firstly starting the server and start two different clients. Okay, so if I just select two-player on both, they both load up. Now that both have loaded up, I'm going to check that an action on one screen is replicated onto the other. And as you can see, that happened. And both sets of enemies use the same attacks there as well. If I just run through the rest of the game, now I'm going to check that you can win the game in two-player, so I'm going to quickly get to the end of the game. Now I'm on to the final wave and I'm going to finish the game quickly. There we go. Both displayed the windscreen, and the final test will be that when one client closes, they both will close separately, and that has worked. So that is all of the testing done. Thank you for watching.